Hi everybody, welcome back to Living Between Paychecks Kitchen. I'm Oz. There's Jack.
Hey guys, still here. Still relevant.
Still relevant. He does all the editing and all our webmastering stuff. So, today we're going to cook something that's kind of divisive in the house. Is something a lot of people eat, and there's a lot of different things to put with it, but today we're going to make Spam. Spam. Stay with us. Alright, so Spam, it comes in a can. Or a little packety thing. I don't want to touch it. Not quite sure what's in Spam. Spam is pork with ham meat.
Added?
I thought ham was pork. We put down an extra cutting board because we didn't want this crap getting on our actual cutting board. We'll deal with that package thing later. So let's get this out of the can. Apparently, yeah, I'm getting on my grabby, handy, flamey thing.
Get your safety equipment on for Spam. It's very important.
This and then just that smell like good old fashioned Spam like grandma used to make it hit you in the nose. And as you can see, that's good, clean, living, flat Spam.
Yep. Just gotta get it out of the can.
Yep, I'm done. I'm out. Jack, come
Oh no, it's too much.
You can cook it.
Oh man, here I go. And it's slimy.
Right, so apparently you can't just roast a giant chunk of this shit in the oven, right? You gotta slice it and fry it. Like we asked our viewers and our fans, like, hey, how do you guys prepare it? And apparently frying is the only way to do it. Now technically it's already cooked, right? So you don't have to do it. So slicing it, if you're gonna make it into sandwiches, burgers, whatever, or you can take it and dice it, mix it into like macaroni and anything you don't ever want to eat, or you're trying to serve to people you don't like, that kind of stuff. You can dice all that.
Yeah, it's like I hate myself, so I do longer slices like this.
Yeah. So you take it and you can cube it like this. Well, not like this, probably with better style, flair, and kitchen skills.
I didn't want anything to do with cubed Spam, so I didn't really try. I would like to point out I can cube vegetables and fruit, but not Spam.
Alright, so you get your fire to hot, I guess, so like medium high to high. It's already cooked, you just gotta heat it up. So, no, I didn't know. I have never cooked Spam. My grandfather used to just eat it raw out of the can.
No.
It sticks to everything. It doesn't want to be cooked. Like I said, I think it's sentient meat of some kind. It's trying to reform, like the Terminator from the liquid Terminator from T2, yeah,
T1000.
The T1000 is gonna like mold back into a Spam blob and crawl back in that can and get mad at us because we disturbed its slumber.
Oh no, I'm dying.
So just make sure that the Spam gets on the skillet and it'll warm up. And apparently it turns a brown color when it gets cooked. I don't know.
Like that.
It's turning darker pink. I think that just means we made it mad.
But it looks less slimy.
Yeah, because we're cooking all the mystery gel into a vapor and breathing it in. That means we're all going to die.
Stupid Spam.
We're not sponsored. We're not sponsored, so it's pork with ham meat added and potato starch. So there you kind of see it'll start browning and jumping if you're not looking at it. So once it's brown, just pull it over and get ready to make sandwiches with it. Now your cube stuff, like you mix in with other things like macaroni and cheese.
Oh,
that
that's
kind of
so
stuff.
Gross.
You just sling it into the pan, apparently. And then we're going to also use our single package stuff to see what the difference in that, right? Again, it sticks to everything. That it doesn't want to be cooked anymore. So you got to watch out for the Spam escape. And you get that packet and you just slurp it right in there on top of it. And just get it warm, I guess. And just don't worry about that yellowed edges of the mystery gel. That hopefully burn off with the heat. We hope. I don't know. I've never cooked this before.
Oh, this is
Look,
too
you
much.
see the Spam stuck to the side of the spatula on that. That's just, that can't be good. I guess make sure to flip it and make it on the thing. What is that? It's a flavor hole. That's where you put spices, right? Like, you want spices to stay in your meat, you stick it in the flavor hole there on your Spam thing.
Just poke it a little bit.
I don't know what the heck that is.
Where?
The flavor hole thing. I think it's just a defect in the Spam.
It's gotta be. Weird. It's probably where they added the ham.
So there's a little piece of Spam. See, that's something that they didn't point out to us. I did not know that when you cook Spam, that shit would start jumping around
Yeah, I didn't expect that.
at all. I thought we had possessed Spam. Like, look, I went to get this, and it was like, no. It was talking shit. I didn't want out the skillet now. It was happy in his little fried home. This took a little longer. The cube stuff cooks really fast. You just heat it up, and then you mix it into whatever, all kinds of stuff. We had people putting it in like spaghettis and a lot of pasta kind of dishes.
Are you trying to kill me?
It's a meat substitute, apparently. It's because it's got Spam and like ham meat added to it. It's not pork ham, so I don't know what the hell kind of ham it is. But there, you can see the kind of the browning on the edges. So apparently that means it's good. Now, your wife put it on a egg and toast and cheese sandwich there, and apparently that was good. And the cans cost like $1 or something, and it's like super cheap because it's got ham meat. And then I tried to make a fancy looking burger out of it, and it looked all real cool. And then I tried it and threw up. There's another one in the books with Living Between Paychecks Kitchen. I'm going to be Oz. It's going to be Jack. We'll see you next time, Tuesdays, Fridays, right here on YouTube. Or you can find us at Instagram at Living Between, or on Facebook at Living Between Paychecks Kitchen. Of course, we're going to be back here every Tuesday and Friday. Like, share, subscribe, ring the little bell and notifications. It'll tell you when we post videos. Or leave a comment down below. Tell us how good it was, how great it was, or give us your own ideas. Thank you.